let's click on launch. You have to wait for a few seconds. And then you are directed to the welcome page. As you can see, this is a very well designed, I believe, clean and neat page. And it's kind of intuitive, but we are gonna start learning about this and becoming familiar with this page. Okay, if there is nothing here because this is a brand new account, so we don't have anything here yet, we can turn off the show welcome or not, let it be on. Let's be welcome every time we get in this system. If you scroll down, there is a how-to catalog. So this is a catalog. You can use it to learn new stuff. There's some short videos. I'm not gonna click on this yet. And then samples. A good thing about this system is that IBM has done a great job putting a lot of samples in this system, so we can use the samples. There are good sample data modules, there are good sample reports, sample dashboards, and for this course we actually are going to use the sample data that they have. Recent, if you open anything or if you create anything, any recent items that we use, for example, if you create a new dashboard or a new data set or data module, you're going to see them here. Right now we don't see anything here yet. I'm gonna scroll up. Here I have a bunch of options. This is the home button. Wherever we are doing something, if you click on this, you will be redirected to the home page, which is this page. Search is for searching in your data in a corporation wide scale. You have tens or hundreds of data sets and data modules, so in that case you can just search among your data here. Then we have my content. If you create anything, you will save it here. Any content, any data module, any dashboard, we will be able to save them here. You can create new folders. If you click on this new sign, you can filter among the content, and then you can also sort them. Again, we don't have anything here yet because this is a brand new account. Then team content is when you have content to be shared. Okay, here are the content that, for example, if your colleague in another department is working on something, or the admins, the IT admins, they create content, they can share it here. So anything you want to share, you will have to save them in the team content. The samples I just mentioned are here. So if I click on them, you will see that there is a bunch of different samples, and I like these samples, and we're gonna work on these samples. Some folders here, you have dashboard, sample data, sample explorations. Now what are these? We're gonna work on them. Okay, mostly what's important for us is the sample data. We're gonna work on those a lot, use this data for our analysis, creating dashboards, exploration, etc., etc. Then we have the recent. These are again everything that we just viewed recently. We can see them here. Manage. If you click on manage, there are some administration work here to be done. We are not going to focus on that. Again, it's going to be out of our topic, our course. These are more of advanced levels. But for example, if you want to connect this Cognos analytics to a database and get real-time data and update your data sets, you can use this data server connection, create a connection, name it, etc., etc. I'm not going to go over these. Customization. If you want to customize the theme of your Cognos and other things that really are not that important. For me in this course, what's important is to teach you how to analyze your data and how to make sense of data. So I'm not going to go over these little things that are also important, but not at this level. Okay, not the purpose of this course. And then new is where you can start creating things. So this is very important for us. I'm going to click on new. We can upload a file, create data modules, create explorations, dashboards, reports, and stories. These are very, very important in this course, and we're going to work on them. So we're going to spend a good amount of time on these. Then you have some other icons here. Help. If you need help, there is a good community on IBM. If you click on about, it will show you what version of Cognos Analytics we are using. We are using the latest one, 11.1 revision 5 or R5. So this is the latest that we are using.